Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crazy Werewolf in the house. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something extremely different. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a door alarm at home. Basically, if you have a very expensive item in your room, well, you need a door alarm. If you fix that just 15 centimeters off the ground, then you'll be able to protect your assets as long as you need them, and it's going to be incredibly easy, guys, if you are acquainted with the scientific side of things. If not, then you can also buy the magic crate that's available, link in the description down below. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it, shall we? Now there's 3 different experiments in this box. We got water level indicator, and now here is the extras. Now coming to the main attraction, the door alarm is here. So we're going to be using magnets to make the alarm. I'm going to be showing you all the procedure to make this. First of all, let's see what's in the cover. Here we've got some magnets in this small cover. Here are the foam boards for the chassis of the alarm, and this is a stand which we'll see usage of this later. This is the cover to cover all the electrical parts of the alarm. Here is some Velcro. Here in this step, I really had to squeeze in the electrical parts, the switch and the buzzer into the space provided, because there's just not enough space here to fit them in, so I had to really squeeze them in. It was pretty tough, but it is doable. You can easily attach these wires as shown. You gotta be careful over here, because you gotta make sure that before you put on the cover over the electrical peripherals, you should not mess up the wiring, because if you do, then the buzzing sound won't come up. So you got to make sure that put it on very carefully for the buzzer to properly work. Now this is another crucial part where you got to use the big magnet provided, and you got to check which side of it is the attractive side and which side of it is the repulsive side, so that you got to stick that side onto another foam board. Now we're going to be attaching this alarm onto the door. So we're going to be using Velcro and gum. Now in this part, we're going to be seeing that the big magnet is being used to pull the small magnet. In that case, when we open the door, the connection between the small and the big magnet is lost. So therefore the wire comes in contact with the metal plate, which completes the circuit, and the sound is emitted. If you like the alarm, then make sure to smash that like button. Let's go for 10 likes. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new around here. So tap that notification bell to get notified about my latest uploads. Take care guys, stay home, stay safe, and peace.